Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my birthday. I turned 25. I can't believe it. It's crazy. So much has happened in the last 25 years. So I thought today I would film myself doing my makeup. We're going to the beach, so there's like no point in me having a full face of makeup, but if you know me, you know I love makeup, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be going to the beach in a full face of makeup, but that's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm not even going to like talk and bore you guys because I'm so awkward. So I'm just gonna speed this whole thing up and do my makeup. So, but I'll show you guys the products that I'm using. So. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.